Hi everyone, today with me I have Apple's AirTags. This is their 4-pack and let's open it and put it together while I tell you why I decided to invest in these. In the box you're going to receive your AirTags and some information if you would like to read it, but it's super easy to connect, so let's get going. Now I got 4 because I definitely want to put them absolutely everywhere, whether it's in my suitcase, my passport, my keys, absolutely anywhere and everywhere, so I can always keep track of the most important things. So let's get it connected to my phone. I'm going to remove one of them from right here. This is what they look like. They are super small and they fit anywhere. You can also find keychains for them on Amazon as well. So let's put it to the test. Now it's time to remove the plastic and pull this tab out from right here and hold it near my phone so they can connect. It is super simple and easy. As you can see, I have my Bluetooth on right now and there it is. It popped up. I had to do absolutely nothing but click connect, and it's going to allow you to name your AirTag whatever you want. So whether it's bike, backpack, camera, handbag, there's so many options, and you can even give it a custom name. So I'm just going to choose keys and continue and agree to their terms, and there we go. It's connecting and it already named it Mandy's Keys for me. Absolutely adore how quick and simple this is. And then you can set up anything else you would want on the Find My app. I definitely recommend you guys check these out, and trust me, you're going to want to invest in more than one AirTag. You can check these off Amazon. They are super simple and easy, and I highly recommend them.